In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search engine to your WordPress site. Whether you're managing a blog, a portfolio, or an e-commerce site, having a search bar can greatly enhance user experience by making it easy for visitors to find specific content quickly. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your WordPress site. So navigate to your website and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, we'll make our way to the plugins section. Go to the left-hand menu, hover over plugins, and then click on Add New. This opens a library of plugins where you can search and install new features for your site. Now type search plugin into the search bar provided. Here, I recommend looking for plugins like Relevancy, Search WP, or Ajax Search Lite. Each of these plugins offers unique features that can enhance the search functionality on your site. Once you've decided on a plugin that looks like it'll meet your needs, click on Install Now. Keep in mind, the installation process will only take a moment, so be patient as it installs. After it completes, click Activate to make the plugin operational on your site. After activating the plugin, you'll need to configure its settings. In your WordPress dashboard, find the plugin under the settings or directly in the plugin section. Here, you can select what content types you want to include in search results, such as posts, pages, or any custom post types you might have created. It's worth taking some time to adjust these settings to match your site's structure so that users can find exactly what they need. Enabling Ajax Live Search is another great feature to consider, as it provides dynamic search results as visitors are typing. This feature can offer a seamless and fast search experience, making it easier and faster for users to find content on your site. Take some time to customize the appearance of the search bar. This could mean changing its colors, sizes, or placement to match your site's design aesthetic. A good-looking search bar can subtly complement your site's theme and make it more inviting to use. Now, it's time to add the search bar to your website. You can do this by going to the Appearance section in the left sidebar, then click on Widgets. From there, you can add the search widget to the desired area. If you're using Elementor or have a shortcode provided by the plugin, you can use those as options to place the search bar more freely across your pages. Finally, save your changes and take a moment to test the search functionality on your site. Enter a few keywords to make sure the search results are accurate and that the search bar functions smoothly. This is a great opportunity to make any final tweaks and ensure that everything is working as it should. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding a search engine to your WordPress website. Feel free to explore further customization options and experiment with different plugins to better suit your needs. Happy customizing!